everyone, it's Gigi, and I have an entry from Griffin Girl, who is Nitasha. Hi Nitasha, hun. Your entry is gorgeous. First, she sent me a thank you card because she won my last giveaway. And hun, that was so sweet of you. I love this card, it's so pretty. So thank you for that. And here is her entry, and it is absolutely beautiful. She knows I like bees. Y'all all do. But it is so pretty, hun. I love it. And let's open it up. And it says, Gigi, hope you have an awesome birthday. Hugs, Nitasha. She recommends Rebecca Creates YouTube channel. And again, you can find her, guys, at Griffin Girl. Thank you, Nitasha, for entering. And I love my cards. Thank you so much. Alright, guys. Enter if you haven't. Bye.